Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. How's everyone doing today? I'm super excited to be on here again once again. My name is Emmanuel. I'm a Forex educator and trader. If this is your first time jumping on this channel, well, welcome to this YouTube channel. Do subscribe to it. And if you find this information worthy of value, then you could like and share with your folks. Right? So today we're going to be talking about how to trade Forex with no experience. There's so many people out there who feel or who think that I don't have any experience about it. How do I figure it out? You don't figure it out before you learn. You learn and then you figure it out. Why? But just in case you are that kind of person, well, this is the right place for you to be at the right time with the right person. Let's get straight into it. How to start forex trading with no experience. Right now, I tell you this today. I think I'm in the right position to be communicating this with you. Why? It's because I have no background in finance. Some people say it's finance. Okay, I have no background in finance. That's for you to understand that I have no background in it, actually. I have no background in banking. I have no background in accounting. I have my background in surveying and geoinformatics. And so if I can learn this, if I was able to learn this in year 2019, and I've gotten to the level of success I am right now in it, so can you, right? But there are few factors to consider if you have no experience in Forex and you want to start trading. The first factor is education. Before diving into the foreign exchange market space, get education. In fact, get a straightforward, quality, and duplicable education, not just any education. You need specialized education in this field. While there are plenty of online courses, webinars, books on Forex trading, it is very important to leverage mentorship to help you avoid many mistakes. Knowledge is power. Quote and unquote, knowledge is potential power. It becomes power when you leverage it. So let's talk about the importance of mentorship in your journey. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been doing this for 5 years, and I tell you, one of the things that really got me, that gave me a headway from the start, was the fact that I was connected to just one mentor. I was connected to him not just because he told me he knows how to trade, or not just because he put stuff online to show that he knows how to trade, but because he's been able to duplicate the success of trading Forex in the lives of others. This is a very, very important factor you need to look for. You need to look out for when it comes to mentorship. Mentors, quality mentors in the Forex market are not people who are not just people who come out to say they made this, they made that. They are people who can show you the proof of their success in the lives of others. Right? Now choose a broker. In a recent video, I talked about how the broker provides you access to downloadable applications, software applications that you can install on your phone to trade. Well, in this case now, you need to select a reputable broker that suits your trading style and needs. You look for one broker. You need to look for a broker that is regulated and offers competitive spreads. There are a lot of them out there, but not all of them are real. There are lots of them out there with flashy websites, with ching, 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 ching. But I promise you, there's so many of them that when you trade with them, when you get to the point where you have to make withdrawals, they give you a headache, right? So you really need to look out for one that is regulated and literally offers you competitive spreads. Your Forex mentor can give you good suggestions on this based on their experience. Demo account. It is important that you start with a demo account to practice trading, ladies and gentlemen. Right? And a demo account is that account you use to practice without having to risk your hard-earned money. It is a great way to get a feel for the market while you develop your strategy. Develop a strategy. Now, deciding on the trading strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance is very, very important. Right? Whether it's a day trading, swing trading, or scalping, you need to develop a strategy. And don't worry if all of these things still look like it's complicated. No, we're taking it a step at a time, right? We're going to get to another video where we'll be defining the terms, the basic terms, the terms you need to understand when it comes to trading. But for now, you need to develop a strategy. in your Forex journey, you need to develop a strategy. And then also having a plan is key. I should also mention this, while you're working on developing a strategy, you should consider your type of person. You see, we're different individuals. We are all the same, but we have different we have different things that stands out for us. My strength could be your weakness could be my strength. It goes like that. So if you're an aggressive person, you should look for a strategy, or you should develop a strategy that is aggressive. If your strategy is in tune with your personality, it will be easy for you to quickly adapt and work with that strategy. If you're a calm person, look for a strategy that puts you in a calm position. Don't be a calm person and then trade or develop a strategy that makes your heart beat. Right? So the next one is start small. I kind of emphasize this. I've said it on several trainings, on several occasions, that all traders, especially the beginners, you need to learn how to start small. When you're ready to start trading with real money, regardless of how much you have in your bank account, it is important you start small, because as you gain experience and confidence, you still have the opportunity to increase your position sizes. Right? One key thing I used to say is never look forward to making what you are not comfortable with losing. Never look forward to making what you're not comfortable to losing in Forex, right? So it is important that when you start trading your money, start gradually. Start gradually. Over time, the moment you start getting experience and confidence, you can increase your position sizes. Keep a trading journal. Keep a trading journal. Ladies and gentlemen, it is important that you write down at the beginning of your learning process. It is important that you write down every trade you make. Whether you're demo trading or you just started trading a real life account, write it down. Include the reasons why you entered the trade and why you're exiting the trade. Include the outcome of the trade, and also include what you learned from the trade. This would help you track your progress, and it would help you identify areas where you need to improve. Right? In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, avoid overtrading. If you overtrade, you want to stop it. Well, this is actually for beginners. So as a beginner, please avoid overtrading. You see, there'll come a time when you've started getting a grip of the strategy, you're doing great, you're leveraging what you've learned in the market, and then you're winning 3 out of 5 trades, 4 out of 5 trades, 7 out of 10, 18 out of 20, and then you just get so excited and you think, oh, that's all there is. No. Stick to your strategy and avoid impulsive trades based on emotions. Even when that time comes, if you're trading with a real life account, you have a trading plan that tells you how much you need to make in a week. The moment you make that money, if you intend to trade, please switch to a demo account. Avoid impulsive trades. Don't take a trade, or don't execute a trade based on excitement. Don't execute a trade based on the fact that you won the last one. No. Remember, you need to stick to your strategy, right? Continuous learning. Forex trading is a skill that improves over time. Continue learning, and we continue to refine your strategies as you gain experience. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you once again for hopping on to listen to what I have to say as regards how you can trade Forex with no experience. In the next video, we'll be talking about the terms Forex traders should know. Right? There are certain terms in the Forex market you should know. In the next video, I'll be sharing this with you. If you found this worthy of value, once again, do share with your friends, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.